Ever wonder what's really going on inside an SQL select statement? It looks simple, you're just asking for some data, but under the hood there's a logical order that's not the same as the way you write it. Once you understand that order, SQL stops feeling like magic and starts to make perfect sense. So, when you write a select statement, it usually looks something like select these columns from this table where something is true, maybe group it, maybe sort it. But SQL doesn't actually process it in that order. Here's what really happens. It starts by figuring out where the data is coming from. That's the from part. Then it applies any filters. That's your where conditions. If you're summarizing or aggregating data, it groups those rows together next. That's the group by. If you only want to keep certain groups, like departments with more than 5 people, that's handled by having. After all that, SQL finally looks at what you actually asked to see, the select part. And last, it organizes everything with order by. So in plain English, find the data, filter it, group it, filter the groups, choose what to show, sort the results. That's the logical flow every select statement follows, even if you write it differently. Think of it like baking. You don't start by frosting the cake. You start by mixing your ingredients, baking it, letting it cool, then adding the frosting. SQL does the same thing. It builds the results step by step, even if the recipe you write looks upside down. Once you see select statements this way, they stop being intimidating and start feeling predictable. If you're learning SQL, keep this order in your head. It's the secret to understanding every query you'll ever write. And if you want more quick, clear explanations like this, follow along. We break down the why behind SQL so it actually sticks.